Hello again, everyone. In this video, we want to do a quick run through of user intent detection with NLP, or natural language processing. So what we're going to do is basically a use case for user intent detection would be identifying that somebody wants the weather, maybe recommendation of a restaurant, things like that. Or this process allows you to set up an intermediary step. So you would have what is the intent, and then map it to a follow-on process. So if somebody said, do I need an umbrella today? We use natural language processing to identify, okay, that's weather related. So they're requesting get weather, right? So we have a get weather function. Hey, I'm hungry, or something food related. We can map that to a follow-on process or API that provides restaurant details or menu options, things like that. Same with get directions. If there's something, where is such and such located, then we can pass that on to provide the directions to that specific locale that they're looking for. Same with, which is probably the most viable, most prevalent use case, send complaint. So identifying customer complaints, given a chat conversation or a phone transcript, things like that. So we have NLP just identify what we think or what it thinks the proper routing is, and send it down that path. So let's run through it. So we have our processes set up, and then we just say, my service is inconsistent, send complaint. And then let's look at, I am really hungry. Let's just try that, get restaurant. So it's actually mapping them correctly. And so this is just one way that you could leverage NLP to expedite user intent detection within a given process. Thank you for your time. Another video provided by FalconsAI 125.